How do I know when it's time to replace my activated carbon filter?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a critical topic that is very often overlooked. When and how often should you replace your activated carbon filter? Understanding the lifespan of your filter is crucial to ensuring that your air or water purification systems continue to function at their peak performance. Replacing your filter timely is key to maintaining a healthy environment.
What is an activated carbon filter?
Before we dive into the main topic, let's briefly discuss what an activated carbon filter is. It's a type of filter that uses a bed of activated carbon to remove contaminants and impurities, using chemical adsorption. Activated carbon filters are most commonly used in air purifiers or water purification systems.
How long does an activated carbon filter last?
The lifespan of an activated carbon filter can greatly vary depending on its usage and the level of pollutants in your environment. However, as a general rule of thumb, it's recommended that the filter should be replaced every 2 to 6 months for air purifiers and every 3 to 12 months for water filters.
Signs you need to replace your activated carbon filter.
Identifying when to replace your filter can sometimes be challenging. Here are some key indicators to look out for. 1. Decreased performance. If you notice your air purifier or water filter isn't working as effectively as it used to, it may be a sign that the filter needs replacing. 2. Changes in smell or taste. A noticeable change in the taste of your filtered water or a strange smell coming from your air purifier may indicate a saturated filter. 3. Physical damage. If your filter has visible tears, it should be replaced immediately. 4. Regular schedule. Even if you haven't noticed any changes, it's essential to stick to a regular schedule. Over time, the activated carbon becomes filled with the contaminants it has absorbed, and its effectiveness in removing further impurities decreases. In conclusion, knowing when to replace your activated carbon filter is crucial for your health and the efficiency of your purification systems. Remember, replacing your filter regularly and paying attention to changes in your water or air quality can help ensure your environment stays clean and healthy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, stay healthy and safe.